In the past, growing of wine grapes was based solely on climactic rainfall. Today, researchers have proven that for vineyard health and the uniformity of the crops, initiated irrigation is also needed. The use of irrigation and fertilization systems significantly improves the yields. Over the years, species that can be grown in hotter areas were developed. The importance of irrigation during the growth period in those areas increased correspondingly. First, the irrigation system must be deployed with a spacing of 50 to 75 centimeters so that there are 2 to 3 drippers per vine. Following the deployment of the dripper lines, water may be supplied to facilitate the sprouting of weeds, and then the weeds can be sprayed in order to minimize weed management after planting. Technical irrigation will help also with digging the planting holes. The vineyard is planted alongside the dripper line, usually with 1.5 to 3 meter spacing between the seedlings. After an acclimatization period and end of summer growth, the vineyard enters the winter period. During the winter, the vineyard is trimmed and treated against fungi. At the end of winter and the beginning of spring, the vineyard begins to blossom. During this period, the buds blossom and the vine awakens and grows. The vine shoots grow quickly and spread. The growers use the position of the vertical shoots to manage the growth. With this method, it is very easy to work with, handle, and pick the grapes. During the blossoming period, there is a risk of frost damage in cold regions. This may be prevented by installing frost protection systems. This system irrigates the plant during cold hours, preventing it from freezing. The flipper system was designed exclusively for protecting the vineyard from frost. The system spreads water along the vine rows only, with maximum water savings. During the flowering period, treatment against insects must be applied as required. Imidacloprid or other systemic products may be applied efficiently through the irrigation system. The RDI, Regulated Deficit Irrigation Process, initiated drying and irrigation, provides a tremendous advantage to irrigation system users. Using this process, it is possible to control the water quantities at a high level of precision and thus obtain high-quality grapes. Fertilization is also carried out using the irrigation system, and it is crucial to the crop health. Products such as NPK, boron, zinc, and iron are very important to the development of the vine and are applied accurately and efficiently through the irrigation system. Prior to harvesting, the grower and the winemaker check grape bunch samples for sugar, acidity, and pH. The vineyard is harvested at the proper time. At season end, after harvest, leaves are sampled in order to obtain a picture of the mineral situation, NPK plus microelements, to identify deficits and to supplement through adequate fertilization. All is done. We can charge our glasses and propose a toast. NDJ specialists help growers all over the world to apply adequate irrigation for individual soil conditions. We will be happy to answer all your questions.